Yo, what's going on, my future millionaire friends? It's your boy Jdun Trades with Team Bull Trading, and I hope you're all having an amazing day. We are live and back in action with another Team Bull Day Trading recap, where we're going to go over the trades we took in voice today, the exact education behind them, and some other tips and tricks to help you make more money day trading and in the stock market. So as always, my friends, if you like making money, if you enjoy transparent trading, and if you get some value from this video, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button in the bottom right corner. Comment what you want to see next below, and spend 5 to 10 minutes every single day watching this channel. Every single day I upload, I have a free course on here, I have a podcast on here, and typically speaking, my videos are very short, straight to the point, and full of education. If you want to get better, the best thing you can do as a trader is to get, real trade ideas from real trades taken, no hindsight, and to get the exact consistent education every single day. So I hope this channel helps you. Hope it makes you more confident, more conviction, and ultimately I hope it helps you become more profitable. So with that said, let's go straight to the education. Yo, what's going on, fam? How we doing today?
Doing amazing, man. I've had better days in the market, but we had a nice trade off the open, and I guess I can't complain. We're undefeated this week so far, so
It's been a really nice week, a little different in terms of like management, but overall solid. In today's lesson specifically, we got a lot of good value. So looking at this 5-minute chart, just diving right in because time is valuable and we don't have time to waste. You're obviously going to go over what you caught today, but just give you a little, shadowing of it. You entered it right around here. And this trade went down, like it made money. A lot of people made 20, 25%, whatever it was, but entered a tad bit early, had the stop a tad tight. And I want to go over with you, have you explain why that stop was so tight, what you could have done differently. Cause I think that's a big problem that a lot of people having this, a lot of people watching this channel have is too tight of stops, getting stopped out too early, whatever it may be. And let's provide some education. So hopefully everyone can learn and trade confidently. That's the mission of this channel.
yes, sir. Let's do it.
Let's go.
Okay, so I guess I should start by pointing out this is my own strategy I use for on mornings that we have data. I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with this by this point, but basically I like to see a nice move off data pre-market, a nice push up. This is something I've back tested, I've studied. It's worked like the last 8 times, I would say. But what I look for is, this is the opening 5-minute candle here. This is pre-market. So I like to see a push up to right at pre-market highs or a break above to enter for puts and play it back down. A lot of times you push all the way down to prior day close. We was like, I don't know, like 30, 40 cents away from it here. But anyways, so market open, we had a little push up here. I got in right here exactly is where I took my position and puts.
And I'd like to add in, Grizzly, that we were talking about in our daily Instagram pre-market live that you wanted to see that push down first and then the push up. And that's what we got. On that 5-minute candle, we actually pushed down first, then back up. And that's where you entered. And that's the exact plan you wanted to see literally before it happened.
Yes. Now I want to talk about what I would have done wrong before I talk. I'm sorry. I want to talk about what I would have done differently before I talk about the execution part. If I could go back after I got done trading today, I came back. I looked at my trade, kind of studied it, looked back, tested a little, on the mornings we have data. I wish I would have waited until we actually come up and broke above that pre-market high. So our entry should have been right here instead of right here. But, the contracts moved, 20% plus. My first trim was over 20 something dollars per contract. My fill was at 105 on the contracts. So that's a good trade, a good percentage return, especially on the scalp off the open. People expect 100% trades every day. It's not going to happen. A 20% scalp off the open is not bad, right? I consider it a good trade. But what happened? We trimmed, then we set our stop loss. I had I was watching SPX for my stop loss, and it just come up. It hit it by 80 cents on SPX. Literally come up, trigger my stop loss right here, triggered it, then turned around and did exactly what we was waiting on. It was a winning trade regardless. And I'm not mad at my execution. I just wished I would have waited on this break above. I'm happy that we managed the risk right. And this was a winning trade regardless of which way it went. But Yeah, a little more patience next time. I'm still mastering this strategy I've created, which is doing amazing. I really can't complain. Even if this was a small win for me, this strategy has made me a lot of money in the past. So
And that's one thing I admire about your trading and why you've had so much success is that you're always back testing, you're always looking to adapt. Right? We've had ever since we've known each other for the last few years, we've had several changes in market sentiment. Every single time, you've taken the time to adapt to the new market and just found a way to crush it. And I love trading alongside you every day. I love learning from you. And you got it going on, man. Love to see it.
appreciate it. People call us the dream team. I don't know about that, but yeah,
Yes, sir. It's pretty accurate. Let's be real.
yeah.
So, in conclusion, too, as you heard me say earlier, we are live on Instagram every single morning. He starts at 8 a.m. Eastern time. His Instagram is linked below. It's trades underscore Grizzly. Mine is Jdun underscore trades. I join at 8:30 a.m. We talk the talk. We give our watch list at 8:30. But if you want to come earlier and get some free education, some live trading of futures, some laughs and smiles, make sure you hop in earlier, and I will see you at 8:30. So, as always, appreciate you, Grizz, and look forward to trading with you tomorrow.
Yeah, appreciate it, man. See you in the morning on the Instagram Live.
Yep. See you, man. Peace.
Peace.